Hey guys, this is my first video for my '03 Toyota 4Runner V8 Sport. It has the OEM hydraulic suspensions. I just got these 265 70 R17 Falken tires. I think they're pretty dope. The only thing is, if you guys can help me out, there's a little bit of rubbing on the stock mud flappers. So I'm thinking of removing them or trimming them out. I've seen videos about using a heat gun. Next up, I think I gotta get some CV axles because the boot's broken. I got hit in the back. To my surprise, waking up in the morning, it was a hit and run, and they tore me up right there in the corner. So I was looking at these metal bumpers to kind of make it, tougher. But I don't want to go overboard because I'm just a city driver. I don't plan on going off-roading anytime soon. But if I could, I'll get that metal bumper. They're a little bit expensive, but what do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks.